close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
What's up? I'm currently in the town right now. Gonna do some business, and yeah, that's what's going on. Today it's Friday. If it's Friday, the road not really choke up in a town. Normally on Friday, traffic and so forth. Eh?
Come back.
Oh, daddy I said wait till I come back. Probably traffic the day when we come back. Yeah. So just staying at the yeah, go over there so go on because you like but it's angry now. But I like they change my time, so I tell you just go straight up.
Yeah, but sometimes I go choke up.
Oh,
a bit faster.
I understand, but you may say light.
Yeah. I try it. Well, last time I could move bumper to bumper. You tell you something at all?
Yeah.
Alright, but yeah, so in the half of it I can't come out.
Oh, but this road there?
Yes, bumper to bumper.
Oh, you attack when you turn in,
yes,
you say you attack?
Okay. But it's long for you, so.
Oh, it's free, long, see free.
Not bad.
So guys, I'm hungry. Hopefully when I come back the way here, can get something to eat and so forth. I'm just checking with another to go on another day. Can go. Alright people, so I am currently at the office where I come and collect packages. I did my hair today as well. Oh god, I'm tired. It's really sad that I am putting my face on the box, but it's going to fall and I really want to vlog. So I did went ahead and got packages, and that's what's up, that's what's happening, that's what's in the cut. Yeah, people. So I'm hungry and I'm definitely gonna get something to eat. So thinking about Wendy's on the menu. Oh, daddy gone. Daddy ready. Thinking about Wendy's on the menu. I can take it out of here.
Pass already.
What? Pass off?
Yeah, that way.
Oh, the way that we go up on the road there?
You never turn down, sir.
Oh, instead I will come up?
Hello?
I never know.
Hello?
You should tell me then.
Hello?
Hi people. We're currently at Kingston. I'm hungry. I have to go get something to eat.
Yeah, I'm in Kingston already. I'm in New Kingston. I left New Kingston now.
So that's up on the phone, so I didn't come off on the phone. Yeah, is that there? The person who did that, I know her who did that, like who did the decoration.
Remember that come across
I know her who yeah, I'm actually seeing it for the second time. I'm really focused on it, and it looks good. They did a great job. It's some students from what is student Edna Manley. They did a great job. It's nice. We're going to go to Starbucks. We're currently in Starbucks getting something to drink. What am I going to get? I'm hungry and the drive-thru for Wendy's is super full. Ugh. Oh my god. I hope this music ain't copyright, you know. Like, what? Can you guys believe that I came to Starbucks and daddy I request water? Water? You man want water? This is super funny. Well, I want to say water, so I'm gonna get water for him. So I went ahead and got that the water. So I think I'm gonna get probably a small caramel frappuccino. You know, people, I do think I need to choose some new stuff when I'm coming to Starbucks. I always be getting the same thing. So that's really crazy, but I'm not really a person who likes to try new stuff. But yeah, ultra caramel, whatever. I don't know. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, the small caramel frappuccino. Huh? Tash. Could you put Tash times Moya on it? Huh? Tash times Moya. Tash times Moya. How much is that? Card. You catch the water? Okay. Sometimes it does not work so easy. Sometimes I feel like that part is not working. Maybe? Yeah. Something to eat, but I want to push it get some snacks in here. I'm hungry. Hold on, let me get something to snack on. Get something to snack on in Fantana. Can I take my water? I can take the water. Is it fine? Alright, I need a snack. Look. Oh, you got to mark it? Thank you. Alright. Where can I find snacks inside here? Honestly, I like coming in and feel like they're offering, but I found that I actually need something to snack on because we're gonna meet with my mom and she called like 10-50 million times to find out what we did. What in a summer? What they got in here to snack on? You want mackerel or sardine? I just want something to snack on. And I'm not snack. Hi, any snacks inside here? Yeah. What is front? Like Doritos or something like that. Probably like a Doritos or is it up by the front? Hi, do you guys have like the oh never mind. Right. I find what I want. Can I have like a Doritos or something? No, probably just like a Doritos. Oh look, this one have no substance in there. Oh God. Okay. People could have been a bigger place and brush off car. Yeah, brush off car. So where this a country man come from?
That's black man.
No, we don't know where this a country man come from. Eh? So what?
So leaf. We pack that tree.
Oh.
But for leaf kept down in the
As long as I am with you. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
What else have we do?
I'm in front of you. My side of you, what I say?
What am I reverse the line for?
Madua?
I'm on there.
Madua?
Only line I reverse.
Oh, so go past them now.
Camera side. Be careful!
Oh, we talked about me at the roadside.
Be careful!
Oi! Careful! Oh, no! Hi guys, what is life on the Market Street in Linstead? Open out here, me. What is that Market Street in Linstead? Alright.
Irish onion 150.
What's the cost for the
Onion Irish 150. Onion Irish 150. What's your favorite song? No prices over here. No prices over here. Irish 150.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So we're at Linstead now, but I just wanted to show you guys that Linstead don't wear masks. Like, they don't wear masks. So yeah, that's why COVID out here so much. So it's just the reality of life.